What's your, we were informed last week, right? What's the feeling? Did you prepare? Did you dream about it?
Actually, I feel excited. That's why I asked you about LMS.
Okay.
Check the basic operation. Okay, but I was actually checking the dump truck, not the excavator. But I'm excited, of course, because we are working with Komatsu, and it's the first time for me to operate. It's like you're gonna move.
Anaita?
I was really excited because I didn't expect to do this. So the first time I was like, oh my god, I was so excited. But then as it was nearing, I'm like kind of nervous. But I think I'm just looking forward to the whole experience of operating the machine for the first time.
Basic on the machine. Everybody's seen an excavator before, right? Excavator. So this is just the main parts of the excavator. What we see externally. We have the bucket. We have the arm. It's like how you operate the arm in the movie, right? So you lift, then move the arm, and then the bucket. Digging operations using bucket dropping force, abnormal large load on the machine structure, cracking the mounting bracket, tooth adapter of the bucket due to impact load. So if you see on the illustration, never ever do the impact. It's always should be slow. Of course, we have to make sure that wherever we go, the machine is stable. There's no rock. So before we operate the machine, we have to scout everything. And I operated. I told you a while ago the most important thing before you go up to the machine. You just don't go up directly. There is a proper way how to go up. It's 3-point contact to the machine. 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're inside the cabin. So this is the lock level for all the equipment. If it's like this, it's locked. You cannot move anything here. This, you will swing to the right. If you move it to the left, you will swing to the left. If you put it on the right, bucket, go up.
Okay.
Right? This is the traveling level. Okay? You either put your feet both. Okay? If you push it, try to push it. If you push it. Let's close. Push it so that we can down slowly, just gradually pushing it. Okay, gradually pushing it. Okay.
1, 2, 3, practice.
Okay, very good.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay. Ow. Seatbelt on.
Where is the feedback?
Here on this side. Okay. We dig. Okay. First, we dig. Use your bucket. Bucket out first. Yes.
Did I turn it off?
No. Put it minimum. Okay. Wait. Are you okay? How was it?
It was good. Oh my god, I was so nervous.
You want some more?
I don't mind.
Okay. Okay. How was the experience?
Amazing.
Right. Is our machine easy? What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Sort of good. You have to like just have to get used to it because now it's our first time, so it's like we're so nervous what to do to this machine.
Yeah. So I think once you get like the hang of it, what to do, and like once you've done it like once or two times, I think you understand the hang of it. So, but
Yes.
it's a very easy, like a user-friendly machine.
Yes,
So it's
yes.
very easy for anyone to use. Once
Exactly.
they know.
So maybe 1, 2, 3 times practice and then you can
Yeah.
Yes, manage. Yes.
you can manage. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Komatsu provides variety of training. Please find more detail with your nearest distributors.